Hello everyone, and welcome to Conic Sections. So this is a part of pre-calculus and Algebra 2 that deals with cones. So a conic section is a figure formed by the intersection of a plane and a right circular cone. So you've probably seen a few of these before. You've seen a circle before at least. A circle looks like this, if I could draw it. You have your center point and your radius, and all of the vertices are equidistant from the center there, and then you have your ellipse, which is kind of like a circle, but it's a bit squished. So you could have one like that, you could have one like this. And a circle is actually a special kind of ellipse that is perfect. A parabola, you've probably seen this if you've done Algebra 2 a little bit. So a parabola kind of looks like that, or kind of like this. And then you've probably seen hyperbola as well before. And a hyperbola kind of looks like this, but it's a little bit more exaggerated, kind of like that, or like that. And basically a conic section basically means a cone. So if I were to draw a cone for you right here, if I just pick a different color and do my best attempt at drawing a cone right here, and bottom of the cone, and then 3D. Alright, so a circle would kind of be like this, and as you can see, the cross section of that, if you were to just make a massive plane right here, let's see if I can do this. Sorry for the dog in the background. Kind of like this. Kind of cross section like that. And if you look at that from the top down, it would look kind of like this. Then we have our ellipse, so I'll choose a different color for that. And now our ellipse is kind of like the circle. Actually, that's kind of bad looking. Kind of like a circle, but a little squished and angled more. So that's our ellipse right there, and I can kind of draw another 3D plane here, or at least attempt. Kind of like this. Again, sorry for that dog. Okay. Kind of like that. If you were to look at the cross section of that from top down, it would look a little bit kind of like this. Or actually, it's a little exaggerated, but you kind of get the point. And then with our parabola, if you keep putting this ellipse all the way out, you'll eventually get to a parabola. So if I kind of draw that with, how about a nice pink? Let's see how I can do this. Kind of like this. Yeah, kind of like that, and then imagine, it's like that, and we can draw our 3D cross-section plane. Not the best artist out there, trying to draw it in 3D though. So it would look kind of like that, and from top down we can see something kind of like that. So if you were to keep putting this ellipse all the way out, keep on going, keep on going, you'll eventually get your ellipse. Or I mean parabola. And then our hyperbola looks a little more like, kind of draw this here, kind of like that. Yeah. So if I draw my 3D plane here, it looks kind of like this, and I'll get into more of the formulas for these in a later video. But yep, looks a bit like that. And from top down, it looks a little bit like that. So yeah. So that's basically the introduction to conic sections. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and look out for the next.